Hello.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Sakshi. Hello. Yeah. Thank you. Next we have Miss
Yes,
Zarina,
ma'am.
PPREV 142. Zarina, I've already made you the panelist. Please unmute yourself.
Good evening to one all of you.
Good evening.
My topic is role of pharmacist in COVID-19. Pharmacists play a key and important role within the healthcare team in optimizing patient care during the COVID-19 pandemic. Pharmacists are providing services to the patient worldwide. Pharmacists provide services in the midst of a pandemic, including seeing patient and reducing patient burden on healthcare facilities in hospitals. Pharmacists are also working to provide home delivery as well as deal with the increasing number of patients coming to the pharmacies with other illness. One of the key role of pharmacist is to ensure the availability and timely delivery of the safest and the most effective therapy. In this role, pharmacists must plan, identify, and mitigate drug shortage during the COVID-19 pandemic. This is crucial in view of fact that the drug shortage can lead to prescribing suboptimal therapy and have been associated with patient harm. Mainly objective of the pharmacist in COVID-19 is to retrieve and to investigate the prevention and control measures of the clinical pharmacist during the outbreak of novel coronavirus. So, to summarize the role and responsibility of the clinical pharmacist and to propose innovative strategy to develop epidemic pharmacy services. As we all know, the symptoms of the coronavirus, the dry cough, high fever and short throat, difficulty in breathing, and the way pharmacists avoid the spreading of COVID-19 to educate the public, share reliable tools, information, serving as role model for healthy behaviors. Pharmacists throughout the country, particularly those of us who deal with the member of the general public on the regular basis, are in a sense we all know the internet privileges situation to inform public about COVID-19 and how it spreads. Through doing so, pharmacists are about the spread of COVID-19 potential therapeutic strategy, the preventive measures, and thus able to help equipping customers with the skill requirement to make educating safe decision and to share reliable tools. As we all know, the internet is currently packed with the COVID-19 articles, videos, and posts. In all these, there is no such as information and reliable in all these. As highly trained healthcare professional pharmacists are willing to share useful and spread of COVID-19 comprehensive knowledge about the coronavirus and with the patient and societies, they are educated to alleviate fever and avoid the spread of coronavirus. Serving as role model for healthy behavior, many pharmacists communicate to the patient on the daily basis by functioning as role model for safe potential behavior like daily washing hands, wearing gloves, and pharmacists are able to convince the common person that they are treating the danger of the COVID-19. And the pharmacist role in different form like industrial pharmacist, community pharmacist, compounding pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, infectious disease pharmacist, these are all plays an important role in different type and in different form to help us prevent the COVID-19. Like industrial pharmacist formulate their medicines and vaccine to cure the disease, and compounding pharmacist to offer customized medicine to patient based on needs and their weakness. And hospital pharmacists are essential representative of interprofessional healthcare teams in hospital pharmacists play a vital role in management of drug therapy for patients who are hospitalized due to COVID-19 or related illness. They are also treat patients with underlying chronic medical problems that may make them more susceptible to the virus, such as lung problem, cancer, heart disease, diabetes. Compounding pharmacists are offer customized medicine to the patient based on needs and weakness. And the infectious disease pharmacist, as member of the hospital based teams, infectious disease pharmacists use their vast drug experience to encourage the safe use of antibiotics and antiviral drugs to treat patients with or at higher risk of the encountering COVID-19 and other infectious disease. Pharmacists of infectious disease are also specialized in preventing the spread of disease within a patient or population. role of community pharmacists during COVID-19 as patient with chronic disease information and communication about COVID-19 and medication review and follow up. And the result is the clinical pharmacists have a vital role to play in guiding the industry in formulating work instruction, providing drug information to frontline medical staff, and developing innovative pharmacy services to the promote the rational use of medicinal product through collaborative teamwork and close communication based on the epidemic situation of COVID-19. Indeed, the development of remote pharmacy services has been driven by the anti-epidemic work. And finally, conclusion is that in response to public health emergencies, clinical pharmacists can make full use of their professional expertise, rational analyze the current situation, quickly formulate telehealth strategy, and work together and efficient to provide innovative pharmacy services to ensure the safety of drug and the rational use of medicines. Thank you.
Okay, Zarina. Zarina, can you hear
Yes, sir.
me? Yeah.
Sir.
So, yeah. So, what is N95 mask? N95. What does N95 mean?
N95 means percentage of the viruses filter the mask. Means 95% filter out the viruses.
So, what are the disinfectant agents that we will spray during COVID time? Hello,
Hello.
Zarina, can you hear me?
Repeat again, sir.
What are the disinfectants used to spray during Corona time?
Sir, repeat please. I can't understand.
What are the different
Zarina,
types of
Different types of
disinfectant?
Zarina sir is asking.
Yeah.
Sir is asking what type of disinfectants you use while Corona, like during the
disinfectant.
Corona.
Like sanitizer, alcohols. Now times are different types of sanitizers will used in the industry and the market to sanitize the hands and other materials.
No. I just want the chemical constituent. Can you give any chemical constituent? Chemical constituent.
Chemical constituent in which use, sir?
Any of the disinfectant. Okay, leave it. Most widely used antibiotic during this Corona treatment.
In corona treatments are mainly use the antiviral drugs.
Yeah, give one example that is most widely used nowadays.
Flupiravir, sir. And the life supporting systems are mainly there is no particular drug to treat the corona, but there is the
Yeah.
life support system that which boost the immunity and provide ventilation and the antiviral drugs, sir.
Okay, Zarina. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Zarina. So as we have come to an end of this poster session, so I would request every panelist or I would request every participant to please open their webcam as to we have to take a screenshot. Just for a few seconds, please. May I request PPREV 134 to open her camera? Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
Shweta, can you hear me?
Okay, so yes, sir, yes, sir. We have come to an end of this session, and I would like to thank all the presenters to being a part of Pharmanesia 2.E, and a special thanks to our evaluator, Dr. P.V. Bhushan Rao. Thank you, sir, for joining us and evaluating this poster session. It was great time having you, and your questions were really good. And like I personally learned a lot from your questions and this poster session. So thank you, sir, for joining us.
Thank you, Shweta. So these type of things will help the pharmacy community students to learn something. So I wholeheartedly thank OPF for organizing these type of webinars. and these type of things should be continuously done so that the pharma community will update themselves and students will gain knowledge regarding these issues. Okay, then thank you each and everyone for their active participation, and I hope you have a great future. You have a very great future in your future aspects. And thank you, Sweta, for conducting smoothly this webinar.
Thank you so much, sir. We will surely
Yeah.
continue these types of webinars and these types of poster presentations.
Yeah, I also thank
Thank you,
Vikram
sir.
Chaudhary for his coordination and his continuous support to this pharma community. Okay.
Yes, sir, sure. I'll convey
Yeah.
your message to him.
Sure. Thank you, Sweta.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
everyone, for joining us. It was great having you, and all the best for the results. Please be there on 25th September to get to know your results. Thank you.
Thank you,
very
ma'am.
much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.